Yo, what's up with it, YouTube? It's your boy Levine, back with another one. And today I'm just gonna be showing you guys where you can go purchase blanks at, because a lot of people been asking me this. So if you're watching this right now and you want to learn more about creating your own t-shirt business, design, and customization, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and follow along with this one. Let's go. So the first website I'm gonna show you guys, typical website, is called jiffyshirts.com. It's like one of the cheaper websites. You got $2 shirts, $3 shirts. You got men, women. Scroll down, you got tank tops. You can choose if you want like a regular, blend, heavy, shirts, what they got. Cause that's what people really be wanting, the heavier shirts. So a Gildan hoodie. Gildan are alright brand. That's for a starter up. But we really be trying to work our way to the Bella Canvas. That's like more of a streetwear type brand, what they be using. $11 for the hoodie. I guess that's alright though. It's pretty thick. It's the heavy blend, 8 ounces. You got different colors. You get a bulk discount at $80, so you get a discount at $80. Free shipping at $59. Free return, free shipping. These are payment methods they take. Easy returns. JiffyShirts.com, like the cornbread, Jiffy. Frequently asked questions. Somebody said, why is shipping so cheap? Looking at some of the facts. What they got? Polos. Polo shirts. Let's see what they got in the polos. They got the polos for $7. They got some for $8. It's like if you like, how can I put it, like, I was finna say gas station worker type people, because I know I almost got in touch, a contract did with a gas station owner who wore these type of shirts. He strictly wanted these type of shirts, like the collar shirts. The jersey knit shirts, this is what he wanted. So this is good. I feel like Jiffy alright for you to start off. Gildan is a alright type brand too. That's what Hobby Lobby and other stores be having too. So the first website we have here is Jiffy. What they got? They got hats. What they got new in? Oh, nothing I see. That's just a basic t-shirt shop. I feel like it's just a lot of the brands partnered up on this one website, because you got Gildan, you got Port and Company, you got Jersey's brand, all on this one website. So you got Bella Canvas. Let me show y'all. It's just a little thicker. These Bella Canvas joints look nice. Look at that. You got the stitching right here. That's cool right there. If you want to add a patch or some stitching right here, that'd be cool. So yeah, this is Jiffy Shirts. That's the first site I'm gonna show you guys. Next one. The next one is like more of a streetwear type. It's called Superline Wholesale. And they got a lot of blanks like sweatshirts, shorts. They got women's things as well too, like the jogging suits for women if you want to start. What they say, they got the book-tay shorts. You get a bundle of 6 for $24. That's actually decent if you think about it. You charge about whatever you want to charge. You'll get your money back. Let me click, see what they got for the women, because I always be talking about the men. What they got, y'all want to start. This is great for someone who actually wants to start the business too, because look, six of these biker short sets. You get the t-shirt, and the pants. You get 6 of these for the $55, and you don't gotta have a business license to purchase from this website, because some websites you need a business license and stuff like that. I'm gonna show you a website that require one. But yeah, this is actually a deal. You want to start your little boutique up? Buy you a few of these. Look at this little summer sets. 6 of these for the 60 piece. That's for my ladies though, man. Y'all know I'm finna bump back up. Now this nice right here. I would actually buy some of these to sell. Look, it's sold out. See, futuristic sleeves. There's a bundle of 2 for $17. Can't beat it. A bundle of 2 for $17. Can't beat it. That's why they sold out. Look at these. I like this. Not, I like it on a woman. But yeah, this cool. Now let me go to the men's section, man. See what they got. Tops, type of t-shirts they got. They got like the solid basic t-shirts. $4. That's a good little steal. It's a little thicker, but heavier. I'm gonna say regular fit. And the good thing about these folks, it's an in-store pickup at the Atlanta warehouse. So if you're in the A, you can slide on these folks. They got the fleece sets. They got the jerseys. I said I'm finna cop some of these. I think you get 2 of them. Yeah, you get a small and the medium. They ain't got the other side medium, Lord. I like these. Make me some of the team jerseys or something. For the brand, so you know what I'm saying? Might have to add some of these. You got these. I like these. This jersey so tough, bro, because it's like a double stitching. Like it's thick. It's not just a regular jersey. You go ahead, get crazy with this. No patches on here, everything. They got the jackets on here for the 25. You wanna buy the jacket? Boom, 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 boom. They got shorts on here for a good deal too. $15 for the shorts. They got the cargo trap pants. So yeah, they basically got everything. Well, not everything, but like basic startup, like the hoop shorts. You get 2 of these joints for $25. See, they be selling out. That's why you gotta get it in. Do be selling out, and they the thick ones too. They ain't nothing to play with. So yeah, this pretty much what this website be hitting on. I'm gonna show y'all what they be doing with the shipping and stuff. They got the hats. Let me see what they got for the shipping. That frequently asked questions page. Cause we need to know, how do you get wholesale prices? They say they already selling at wholesale prices. Do you need a business license? Nah. The order. We process orders within 24 to 48 hours, excluding weekends. Normally 1 to 5 business days. They don't make custom clothes, you guys. This is not a print-on-demand shop. They just got the blanks for you. So, this is this. That's Superline. We got this third one. We got ATZ. It's like kind of like Superline, but it's not. They got different stuff. Like, just like, let's see. They got some as seen on TikTok. They got jackets, puffer jackets. Like, you can go crazy here though. Look at this, man. This is nice. You can go crazy. Throw your little logo right here. On this part. They got the ladies jackets. $30. It's not bad it's not really bad. Look at these shirts. I like these shirts right here. The Stonewatch kind of shirts, they're $13. And that's actually a deal. For these type of shirts, it's not like a regular shirt. See? That's just nice, man. Put some white vinyl going across there. All I see, New York Yankees. Good Yankee shirt. I got the cargo, the stretch gentleman pants. See, they got the ladies crop jacket. I don't know about no crop top jacket, but the ladies love it. I love it. They got the jacket, the windbreaker jackets for men. Y'all already know we can go crazy with these. It's $16. You throw your socks on there. Come out about $50, $60. Charge somebody $60. You throw your socks on there, man. Really $100, but I ain't gonna. We ain't talking about pricing right now. We talking about where we get the stuff from. They do custom print. These folks do custom. So yeah, they actually do it. So choose your apparel, design your artwork, send us the info. Also, that's cool. So that's something I'm gonna have to try out one day. I'm gonna have to record the process for you guys too, because I didn't know they did this. Browse to a huge space. So you can use the Bella Canvas Boy Company so much. Design the artwork. So that's cool. They do print on demand. So you can actually upload your designs and they print it for you and send it to you. That's good. What about the shipping though? What the shipping is? Customer service, shipping and return. You gotta know how long it take, man. No, they said we can ship all over the USA. So they're not really telling you, but contact us. Buy low, sell high. Shit, they already putting you on game. Shop blanks, request quote. So this is how the ass look. And this is ATZ, wholesale apparel. That's the third one. This one, the last one I'm gonna show you guys. This if you're trying to go crazy with your business. Like if you got a little money, a little business credit, a little money established, you can go hard. Buy you like expensive blanks. This is Root Porter, man. Just like Travis Scott, the Travis Scotts of clothing, of blanks. You heard me? Just like that type of stuff, because they make their own blanks. You see how their website is compared to these other websites. They making their own fabric, boy. They going crazy. And when I get this bread, I'm going right here, y'all. I'm not playing. They got a wholesale store, but the thing is, you gotta be approved accounts, man. See what I'm saying? You gotta apply for account stuff like that. But they got a retail store that you wouldn't want to shop in because they are busting heads, $75 a pop. So it probably would be smart to apply for the wholesale store. I'm gonna try to do this. I'm gonna do this. All new approved account must make their first order within 45 days of approval. It's your DTG printer. See, they do DTG printing, like they print it directly onto the fabric. That's hard. Report the studio. Then you can apply right here for a wholesale application. You see how legit you gotta be to shop here? They ain't playing no games, so it's a little legit website if you want to go crazy with the design. But I'm not gonna lie to y'all. If I pay $75 for a hoodie, how much y'all think I'm finna charge somebody else after I throw a design on it? Come on now. They gonna think you crazy, but they don't call Balenciaga and Gucci them crazy. So it's gonna be about $300. You gonna have to get about $300, bro. Cause if you wanna make 3 times like a little marketing strategy, like charge 3 times what you paid, like to design it. And it probably is gonna be more. This is just $75 just for the jacket. So, like me adding the design and something, I'll probably be $100 just for me just to get it made. So of course that shit gonna be $350. So that's why I don't trip when I see Gucci and Balenciaga and I'm charging hellas, cause I know they gotta make their money and they gonna charge you 3 times what they paid for it. But I don't know. $75. Would y'all pay $75 and then do this and throw a design on there yourself? Tell me. heavyweight ribbon, double lined hoodie, pre-shrunk. But this like the hoodies like a Miriam use, like for real. It's like the real thick stuff. It's that real. Feel like sheep ass or something. Nah, let me stop playing. Like Kanye, like the Kanye type of thickness. Ultra luxury tee. Man, y'all folks better go on talking about these folks t-shirts $30. Come on now. You get a $30 tee. How much y'all think I'm charging for a tee? 100? We out here like Supreme. 100? Cause come on now, why y'all ain't finna play me? This nice too. Ultimate comfort, soft hand, premium texture, thick one color. And everything is from here. Let's go to the frequently asked question. They say, what are your minimums? Them folks ain't got no minimums because everything's $75. They say, do you practice ethical manufacturing? Uses custom made 100% luxury cotton fabrics, free from harmful substances and chemicals. They say, how can I buy wholesale? You may submit your brand using the apply link. Your application will be reviewed within 1 to 3 business days and email will be sent it. So these folks say you gotta submit your brand using the apply link. So if you ain't going crazy, if your brand ain't hitting on nothing, you ain't getting approved. That's basically what they saying. So you gotta come with it if you finna go to Root Porter and think you finna get a wholesale contract with these folks, bro. And felt like, can we get samples? Once your account is approved, you may buy samples and take advantage of no matter. You can get a sample, see? They accept PayPal. They do not accept PayPal. I don't have a brand and just want to buy something for myself. Is it possible? Yes. Can you print, label, and embroider my design? See, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This is something that I might want to do too. The Root Porter, because I just know it's gonna hit. Can you print, label, and embroider my design? We now provide a special DTV print service exclusive for European-based brands. Damn. This service does not offer screen prints or embroidery. Unfortunately, we also do not provide. Well, not for my U.S. people. I got some people over there in Europe. Y'all folks go crazy, man. Y'all can get y'all stuff made. Root Porter Company, man. We ship from Center LA. They got a center in LA. What they shipping? 2 to 4 days. So yeah, Root Porter straight food. I would actually, I don't know about buying no $75 damn hoodie though, y'all. But look at this. They showing y'all how they do. Luxury blanks. They in there cutting the jump. They starting with scraps of search, bro. That's hard. That's hard, y'all. You can just see how professional it get from this Jiffy. You see what Jiffy got going. Jiffy just trying to get you a... Jiffy look like a warehouse. This really is what Jiffy is, a warehouse. And go over to this. You see what these folks doing? Come on now, bro. But yeah, man. That's the last one I just wanted to show y'all guys. So look. I just showed you guys these 3 websites. You can go ahead and use them to the best of your abilities. Thanks for watching. And once again, if you want to see more videos and you're on your way to being a successful business person, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Hit the like for more content like this. We out.